In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF as a knowledge source in Microsoft Copilot Studio. If you want your agent to answer questions using information from a document you trust, adding that PDF as a knowledge source is the way to go. This process enriches your agent's understanding, so it can reference the document's content and provide more accurate, grounded responses. Start by opening your agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio. Make sure you're in the correct agent you want to enhance, especially if you work across multiple projects. Once you're in, you'll add your document through the Knowledge Sources experience. You can get there by selecting Add Knowledge from either the Overview page or the Knowledge page in the navigation pane. Both paths take you to the same place and work the same way, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. There's also a more targeted option if you want the PDF used only for a specific topic or flow. In that case, open the properties of the Generative Answers node where you want this knowledge applied, and choose Add Knowledge from there. This keeps the document scoped to that node, which is useful if the file is highly specialized or intended for a single part of your conversation. Next, upload your file. You can drag and drop the PDF directly into the upload area or click to browse and pick it from your computer. Drag and drop is quick, but browsing is helpful if you need to confirm the exact file name or location. Give the upload a moment to process, especially if the PDF is large or contains images. After the file is uploaded, add a clear name and a concise, informative description. The name should help you recognize the document at a glance. The description is especially important because it helps the generative AI understand the document's context and structure. Think of it as guidance. Summarize what the PDF covers, who it's for, and any relevant scope or version details. This can improve how the agent interprets and uses the content. When everything looks good, select Add to complete the process. The knowledge source will be saved and associated with your agent or with the specific Generative Answers node if you added it there. After a brief processing period, your agent can begin drawing from the PDF to inform its responses. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF as a knowledge source in Microsoft Copilot Studio, giving your agent better context and a stronger foundation for accurate, helpful answers.